we are again.
Here we are. Let's make it happen.
This thing, man. I am so stoked. Look how beautiful this is. Dude, you guys, dude, every time I get amazed every time I come here, you know? Wow, that's amazing.
Didn't this turn out nice? Oh my gosh.
All the little white spots that we're talking about.
Yes.
Most of them came out, so that's cool.
Exactly.
Sweet. Look at that thing. Holy moly. And the wheels, yeah, the wheels. So this thing is almost 20 years old and it's never been detailed from what I could see. So I'm glad I brought it here to get it, you know, touched up and keeping it protected like we should, right?
Exactly. Now he doesn't have to worry for 5 full years. He'll be shining like your beautiful BMW.
Yeah.
Nice.
It won't be long until I bring another car over.
Appreciate it.
Right on. I appreciate it. Thank you again.
Okay, my man. What he purchased was a 2-stage paint correction because this paint was horrible. And then we performed rock chip touch-up for him. And then he went with the ceramic coating, 5 years protection. Beautiful.